Do I have enough clothes? Of course I do. Will I still shop when there's a sale? Always. Polka dot craze is literally all over the place. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya and welcome to another haul video. आज का जो haul है, it's a huge Savannah haul. Now Savannah's birthday sale is now live and they are having such amazing offers. I love shopping from Savannah. I think they are my go-to when it comes to like trendy clothes. And currently with the sale offers, it's insane. You get free gifts on a lot of purchases as well. जो भी details है sale की मैं mention कर दूंगी caption में आप check कर लेना. But I really want to show you guys the pieces that I've picked this time because they're perfect for summers. It's a mix of tops, dresses. That's majorly what I've got. And in fact, I'm wearing also Savannah right now. Like, look at the bead detailing. It's so cute. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the haul and let me show you everything that I've got. And before moving into the haul, if you're shopping from Savannah, वैसे तो बहुत सारे offers चल रहे हैं, but do not forget to use my coupon code for some extra discount. And yeah, let's get into it. First, let me show you the tops and then I'll show you guys the bottom. So the first top that I've picked, it's a very basic yet elevated top. It's this tank top in white and it has this tear drop kind of thing and it looks so stunning on wearing. मैंने ये जब पहना है मुझे इतने लोगों ने कॉम्प्लीमेंट करा है, पूछा ये टॉप आपने कहाँ से लिया है. The best part is that even though it's white, it is not transparent. With a lot of white tops, my biggest problem is that they are transparent, but this one is not transparent. It fits perfectly, hugs me at the right places. I have taken a size small. If you're my body type, you can just go with size small for like all the items. And yeah, I love this. Like, this is so nice. इसमें दो colors और भी थे. There was a black one also, but I went ahead with white because summers and whites look really nice together. So yeah, that's the first item that I got. Next up, I picked a top in which I had no color in my wardrobe. So ये blue color का top मैंने pick करा है. मेरे पास इस color में कुछ भी नहीं था. Now it basically is this one shoulder top inside, and I just thought I can use it in like a multi-way thing also. So ये अंदर पहनना है, and it has this cape thing going on the top. Now this kind of style is so viral right now. I have seen so many people having this cape kind of style and it looks so cool. Like, this is how it looks on wearing. I think just pair it up with like a nice cord or a short mini skirt. It will look so cute and very summery also. I think colors like this look so nice in summer. और इस पे की जो थोड़ी सी detailing दी, I really like this also. So yeah, that's the next item that I picked for myself and I really like how it looks. This is one of my favorite tops in the entire wardrobe, in fact, because I think मेरे पास going out tops बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, and this is something that will become like my new going out top. Next up, I got this Chinese collar top, which gives me like feeling that I'm straight in Japan or Korea. I love this top. I mean, the color, it's a butter yellow color kind of shade, and the Chinese collar and the detailing, everything about this top. Also, you can cinch your waist a little more because it has these tie up things, so you can just tie it at the back and cinch your waist. I love the fit of this one. I genuinely feel I need to take a vacation to Japan or Korea and wear this over there with like a nice mini skirt, boots. It will look so cool. This has to be one of the best purchases. It's so unique. You literally feel that you have bought it from like some big label, but it's Savannah and you get everything here. So I love it. I don't have words for this one because this is genuinely one of my favorite picks. Like, I know मैंने इसके लिए भी यही बोला था, but it's very different, also very modest. Like, people who do not like wearing tops like this, don't like something which has a lot of skin show, this is perfect. It has sleeves also. If you're even like a college going girl, you can still wear it with like a nice pair of trousers and you'll be good to go. So this is something जो आप office, college, casual wear कहीं पे भी पहन सकते हो. Even like on a nice dinner, you can wear literally anywhere. So I love this. Next top that I've picked is something that I'm wearing. It's this striped top with a halter neckline, and it has these bead detailings. Now, this beaded thing has become so much in trend right now. I've seen so many brands doing it, and I knew I had to buy something similar. So I also love how my collarbones look in this one. So this is how it looks fully on wearing. I've just paired it with a skirt in similar shade. It literally looks like a coordinate set. So I love it. Although I feel कि ये beats after a time थोड़ा सा uncomfortable लग सकती है अगर आपने बहुत tight बांधा है, जैसे मैंने भी बहुत tight बांधा है, तो मुझे लग रहा है maybe if I wear it for like an hour or two more, it might start hurting me, but I'm not sure about that yet because this is the first time I'm wearing this top, and I absolutely love the fit. It is perfect for like Mumbai summers because it is so hot, and I think Poltonic tops like this just make it easier to survive the summers. And you don't need to even add any necklace because the neckline is doing the job for you. So that's the last top that I've got. And yeah, before I move to the dresses, I have got just one pair of bottom this time, and it was this grey Scott. ये जो ग्रे स्कॉट है इसमें थोड़ी सी ऊपर ये लाइनिंग थी वाइट कलर में जो मुझे बहुत कूल लगी, एंड आई लव स्कॉट्स इन समर्स. आई फील दैट्स सच अ कूल वे टू लाइक नॉट वेयर शॉर्ट्स एंड येट वेयर शॉर्ट clothes. So I love it, and yeah, this is how it looks पीछे से आगे से, and this is how it looks I'm wearing. परफेक्ट है, किसी भी चीज के साथ पेयर कर सकते हो. पेयर इट अप विद योर बेसिक्स, जैसे मैंने पहले वाले व्हाइट टॉप के साथ पेयर करा है ऐसे, एंड इट लुक्स सो नाइस. सो जस्ट पेयर इट विद एनी बेसिक्स, इट विल लुक सो गुड. या इवन लाइक ब्लैक cut out tops, one shoulder tops, उनके साथ you can make it like an elevated look. So yeah, Scott is like an essential, so that's what I got. Okay, now moving to dresses, I did pick some very cute dresses. I have so many dresses at this point, but I feel I just can't stop shopping whenever I see like a cute little dress. And all the items that I've picked this time are a little different than what I already have in my wardrobe. सबसे पहले going with the polka dot craze. I know polka dots are literally everywhere right now. I have a polka dot top which is from Savannah again, but I do not have any polka dot dress. In fact, for the longest time I used to run away from polka dots because मुझे लगता था polka dots मुझे मोटा दिखाती हैं, थोड़ा elderly दिखाती है. But then I realized you need to just find the right shape of polka dot. I know might sound funny, but if you have very big polka dots, you look huge. If you have the tinier the polka dots, the nicer it looks, is what I figured out. So I got this tube dress, which is like a polka dot dress. It looks stunning on wearing. I in fact wore it to one of Fenty Beauty event. I'll attach a picture here. And I got complimented also by the staff over there. And I think, yeah, I love it. इसका fit बहुत अच्छा है. Hugs again at the right places. Quite stretchable again. So that is something that I like when the dresses are stretchy and you can just breathe and feel comfortable. So this is the dress that I've got, and this is how it looks I'm wearing. I like it. I like the color also. It's brown with like white polka dots. It's not your basic black and white or red and white polkas. It is brown, so it is a little different also. So that's what I got, and it is full length. It's a maxi dress. So into the next dress, which is my personal favorite. I love anything cute, and this is the cutest dress that I own currently. Now it is this cherry dress. Let me just hold it correctly for you all. Yeah, it's this cherry dress, and it has this ribbons to tie it on your shoulder. It's a midi dress, and I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks on wearing because I want you guys to see. I can't explain you because this is the cutest purchase in my recent 4-5 months. I love it. It's such a good dress for like a brunch, for like vacations, if you're going out with your friends. Perfect है ये एकदम. I like the color. It's very subtle, but the red is popping out, which makes it look very very nice. And it has very cute cherries. Also, it's quite adjustable at the back, so it's very very stretchy. Both the dresses that I've gotten are in like size small. Only the bottom wear that I've got is in like M. Everything else in size small. So you can definitely go for size small if you're my body type. Also, if you're shopping from Savannah, birthday sale is live, but you can also use my coupon code for some extra discount. So don't forget to use that. Okay, ये ड्रेस तो आपने देख लिया, and I'm sure आपको भी अच्छी लगी होगी. Now moving ahead to the next dress. I have another midi dress, but it's backless. Now I have this striped dress in blue. Again, I do not have a lot of blue in my wardrobe, so I did shop after thinking that I need to buy blues in my wardrobe. So इसलिए मैंने वो blue top लिया, and in the similar shade I got this dress again. Now basic striped dress लग रही है. यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा crochet का काम हो रखा है at the below of your bosom. And then the back, which is the hero, it's backless, kind of backless, and it looks stunning on wearing. It's again a midi dress, and this is how it looks on wearing. I absolutely love it. The color, the fit, the detailing. This is such a good brunch dress. In fact, in like next 4 months, I'm traveling internationally, and I was just planning what kind of outfits I can wear. This was the first thing I literally wrote down in my list, that this I have to carry for like a day out, and I love it. I can just make like a nice pony and like attach those floral clips, maybe in white or maybe in blue, and it will look so nice. And that's the next item that I got. Okay, coming to the last item of this haul, it's this yellow dress and it's an organza material. I love the print of this one, very summery, very flowy. It looks so gorgeous, very Pinteresty also. The only flaw with this dress is that I thought it's a mini dress, but it's a midi dress. I mean, I would have liked it a little more अगर dress की length थोड़ी छोटी होती, but regardless, this looks amazing on wearing. I थिंक मैं इसके साथ कुछ जुगाड़ करके इसकी ड्रेस की जो लेंथ है वो थोड़ी छोटी कर दूंगी. बट आई लाइक द फिट. इफ यू लाइक मिडी ड्रेसेस यू विल लव दिस वन. द कलर, द मटेरियल, everything is just top notch. It also has this inner lining, so you do not need to worry about the transy thing, because I know organza can be a little transparent, but this is not, because it does have a proper lining. So, and it's an attached lining, so it's perfect. And yeah, summery yellow, everything bright and nice. And yeah, that's the last item that I've got. So yeah guys, these were all the items that I recently picked up from Savannah's birthday sale. And if I have to pick up my favorite, I think the top I am wearing, the cherry dress and the blue top, these three are my favorite from today's haul. You tell me in the comments below कि आपको सबसे अच्छा क्या लगा. जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने आपको दिखाए हैं, मैं सबके लिंक्स जो हैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मेंशन कर दूंगी, आप वो जरूर से चेक कर लेना. And yeah, don't forget to use my coupon code for some extra discount. This is the time when you can literally make the most out of Savannah, because it's the sale season. And yeah, I'm gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys, see you.